Today's video is going to be a quick flow, about 5-6 minutes or so. It can be done at any stage throughout the day and it can be done by any level. So if you're a complete beginner, then this is one for you as well. So straight away we're going to come into an all fours position. So we're spreading those fingertips nice and wide, creating a nice stable base through the hands, really pressing down into the fingertips. Our hands are underneath our shoulders. Our knees are underneath the hips. And if we take a look back for our feet, we should really not be able to see them. So they should be in line with the knees. We're pressing into our hands. We're pressing up and away from the mat, engaging through the core first of all. And then from here, as we inhale, we're going to drop the belly, lift the tailbone, lift the head. And then as we exhale, we're rounding through that upper back. The chin is going to tuck towards the chest, really pressing into those hands. Again, as we inhale, the belly drops, the head lifts. And close the eyes over here and just feel into the movement. As we exhale, arching through that upper back. So moving from cat into our cow, beginning to warm up the spine, connecting movement to our breath. We'll go for one more in our own time. And then we'll come all the way back to our regular tabletop. From here, I'm just going to begin to look out over that right shoulder. So down towards the right foot. Stretching through the side of the neck. We'll take a breath in here. And as we exhale, drawing the head all the way across to that opposite side. Looking out over the left shoulder, down towards those left toes. Big breath in through the nose. And as we exhale, all the way back through center. So from our tabletop then, we're going to walk the hands about a foot or so in front. Again, keeping the fingers nice and spread. We're going to send the hips all the way up towards the ceiling. Begin to drop the chest towards the floor. So we're looking for the chest to come between the arms. Maybe the chin comes to the floor. If we want a little bit more in this stretch, we can come up nice and high onto those fingertips. That'll just give us a little bit more room to allow the chest to fall a little bit deeper. So we're nice and broad and open across the chest. A little bit of a stretch into our shoulders, our upper back. And this is our puppy pose. And we're here for a couple of rounds of breath. So big deep breath in through the nose. And as we exhale, we can either open the mouth and breathe it out through the mouth, or we can breathe it out through the nose. Go for one more round of breath. Now we're going to begin just to walk the hands all the way back in. Tucking our toes, and we're sending our hips up nice and high, coming into our first down dog. We can begin to maybe move the hands and feet just to adjust depending on our height. Maybe we're pedaling through the feet, bending and straightening through each leg. We're nice and strong through the arms, and we're using the hands to press our chest back towards our legs. We're looking down towards our toes, just beginning to lengthen through the backs of the leg, the back of the neck. The hips are nice and high. If we think kind of like an inverted V shape, so the back is nice and straight, nice and long. Coming into stillness, we'll take 2 rounds of breath here. So again, breathing in and out through the nose, or we can breathe out through the mouth. pressing into those fingertips. And then nice and gently, we're going to begin just to lower the knees all the way back and down. Send the hips all the way back towards the heels, reaching the arms out nice and long. We can let the forearms come to rest. Just coming into our child's pose. Knees can be together or they can be as wide as the mat. We can have this gentle sway side to side through the hips, maybe across the forehead. And then just gently beginning to walk both hands across to the left. We're rolling that right armpit down towards the floor. Getting a nice side stretch all the way up the right hand side. Take a breath in, breathing in through the right lung, the right rib cage. And then coming all the way through center, we'll take it across to that right hand side. And allowing the upper body to fall between the arms. The head is nice and heavy. Pulling that left hip back. Left armpit rolls towards the floor. Breathing into that left hand side. Come all the way back through center. Nice and slowly we're walking the hands back in towards the knees. Coming up into a kneeling position. Take another round of breath here, breathing in through the nose. Exhale, sigh it away through the mouth. Go for one more as we inhale in through the nose. Exhale, sigh it away. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you have any suggestions or any recommendations, please let me know in the comment box below. I hope you have a great day. Namaste.